In this video, we will tell 15 tricks with baking soda that everyone should know, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. Natural deodorant. Baking soda is a natural deodorant. While popular deodorants today contain aluminum that stops the sweat glands in the armpit from sweating, studies have shown that the aluminum in deodorants can cause cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Make a healthy switch from aluminum deodorants and try one that uses baking soda. Number 2. Heartburn. Baking soda relieves heartburn. If you drink a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 8 ounces of water, it can neutralize stomach acid and temporarily alleviate heartburn caused by acid reflux. Number 3. Mosquito bites. Another simple remedy for mosquito bites is to make a thick paste of baking soda and water. Then apply this paste generously to the affected area. You should feel the swelling and itching subside shortly afterward. Number 4. Scrub. Baking soda can improve wrinkles, blackheads, and tarnished skin. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to your usual facial cleanser and form a paste. Massage into your skin in circular motions to help exfoliate and leave skin feeling soft. Number 5. Hair growth. Baking soda can increase hair growth and usually is mixed with vinegar to do so. Mix baking soda 1 part with 3 parts of water. Apply this mixture to your hair and take 1 to 3 minutes and rinse it well with warm water. Number 6. Stretch marks. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant and it removes the dead skin cells so that your stretch marks will be removed easily. Take a washcloth and squeeze a little amount of body wash on it. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to it. Fold the cloth and rub it with your hands to mix the baking soda with body wash. Then scrub and enjoy younger-looking skin. Number 7. Bad breath. Baking soda can rebalance the levels of acid and help to treat and prevent halitosis. Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water to make an effective mouth rinse to beat bad breath. Number 8. Rough skin. Baking soda is alkaline in nature, which helps soften the sebum and debris on the face. It also clears and opens up pores and absorbs excess oil, which aids in preventing the clogging of pores. Some disagree with using it as a facial cleanser as the pH levels and effect on skin appearance and health is debatable. Number 9. Stains. Baking soda can remove stains. Mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda with 1/4 cup of water to make a general stain remover. Number 10. Refrigerator smells. Baking soda can absorb odors due to its alkaline nature and that can neutralize acidic odors. Number 11. Jewelry cleaner. To remove built-up tarnish from your silver, make a thick paste with 1/4 cup baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water. Apply with a damp sponge and gently rub, rinse, and buff dry. Number 12. Abscesses. Baking soda is useful as an abscess treatment and helps to clean it, plus acts as an antibacterial agent. Number 13. Sunburn. Fill up your tub with water that's cool to the touch, and as it's filling, add 1 cup of baking soda. Relax in the tub for a while, and your skin should start to feel better as baking soda creates a cooling sensation. Number 14. Peas and beans softener. Baking soda can help get peas and beans ready for cooking quickly. Number 15. White teeth. Baking soda effectively removes surface stains from your teeth and makes them appear whiter. This is why many kinds of toothpaste include baking soda. That's it for this video. If you liked the video, consider liking and subscribing.